Hello and welcome to another episode on Sketch with Pearl Naomi. On this episode, I'll be taking you through on how to draw the leg part of a croquis. Easy, simple, convenient. Let's dive in. I make use of my Staedtler pencil, like you all know. I usually make use of HB pencil, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be making use of my 8B pencil. Alright, so I also have my ruler with me for accuracy and precision, and I also have my eraser with me. Let's dive in. First of all, I'm going to be drawing a straight line. First, I'm going to be leaving like centimeter above. That 4 centimeter is for my head region. Then from there, I'm going to be dividing the remaining lines into 3 different segments. So I have 6, 6, and another 6. Going to be drawing a straight line across those segments. We dealt with that in the last video, so if you haven't watched the last video, click on the icon on the screen or go to the description below to find the video. So the remaining 2 segments is for the leg, and this is the new joint, and this is the ankle joint. All right, so let me indicate that now. Knee and ankle. So this is what we'll do. The last time we left about 4 centimeter for the hip, so I'm going to be drawing a curve around that to show that it's a continuation of the hip. All right, my pencil is very thick, but you just have to pardon me. I want it to be very visible to all. So for the leg region, we have the knee, we have the ankle, we have the laps. At the knee there is a joint, at the ankle there is another joint, which indicates that there's a pivoting that happens, at the knee and the ankle region. So it's not going to be drawn straight because it's kind of curvy, and we have to give like a curve around this region. For accuracy and precision's sake, this is what we'll do. Let's give it 3 on the right and 3 on the left, making it 6. Alright, so another one here, 3 on the right and 3 on the left, making it 6. So what we'll do is I just give like some centimeters above, some centimeters above. All right, so what I'll do now is just to give a curve. I gave the lines for accuracy's sake, so I want it to be the same thing. All right, I'll do the same thing here too. So this is what I do. I bring the line from here down and bring another line from here, parallel line down. I do the same thing here, down, and I bring the line from here down. So this is what I do. So then I give an open short V here and another open short V here. Then I give a long V down and another one down. Can you see how we are playing with V? And another one down. All right, then I give a little long V, not so long, down, down, down. Then I give another one down. I give it a curve. I give another small one down. I give it a curve. For every sharp lines we have, we want to curve it out. So this is what we do. Yeah, we curve it out. We curve it out. We also curve this line out. Don't make it that sharp. So we do the same thing here. Curve, curve. Yes. So in less than 2 minutes, here our leg for the croquis is drawn. It's simple, straightforward, easy. So consistency would make you to be very accurate without even using the ruler. But for now, please use your ruler. There's no crime in using your ruler, right? All right. So thank you for watching. If you find this video very helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And also turn on your notification bell for more videos that will come your way. And also, please let me know your view in the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye.